there. Alright, so thanks for joining me. We're going to unbox this little lovely box. It is 12 by 12 by 6. And this is a box of wood, and I don't remember where it came from. All this thing says is click to shop, but it's from New York. And I would imagine upstate New York. So anyway, let's just go ahead. I've got my trusty knife here. And again, this is a mystery box. Love these mystery boxes. They're so cool. You never know what you're going to get. Kind of like Cracker Jack. Does anybody remember Cracker Jack? Here we go. Here we go. Guess what? It's wood. It's wood. Well, does anybody need any Purple Heart? It's not going to be much of an unboxing. Oh, that's funny. They must have had an overrun on Purple Heart. Okay, so all of these are 12 inches. The only thing that this is 1 inch. So this is Purple Heart. This looks like a tongue and groove Purple Heart. Yeah, actually it is. Look at that. And guess what? It's Purple Heart. And more Purple Heart. But hey, look! I bet nobody but us got these cool tongue and groove thingy. Look at that! Look, we can do something. Okay, never mind. It's a little crooked, but hey, Rome wasn't built in a day, right? Purple Heart, and yeah, they must have just had like a. Maybe somebody had some flooring or something, or stairs. Well, I got news for them. It's going to get dark. I love Purple Heart, but then once I found out that it gets dark, the love affair was sort of over. Now, all of these are 12 inches in length, and they're 5 inches. And without the groove, well, with the groove, they're not quite an inch. Wow, look! More Purple Heart. And more Purple Heart. But, I mean, you know what? You know what though? Here's the thing. Yeah, see, here's some Purple Heart that got dark. I don't like that. So I would, anything I make out of Purple Heart, if I made like a cutting board, I would be scared to death that my cutting board, that I would make or sell or give to somebody, the Purple Heart would turn dark like that, and I'd be so embarrassed. But, can I just say what you will, but we've got a lot of Purple Heart here. I mean, we've got enough to make all kinds of stuff. I mean, they certainly sent us enough, right? And more Purple Heart. Yay. And more Purple Heart. This one a little dark too. But we've got more Purple Heart. I always put them in the sun, but I'm not going to put them in the sun tomorrow because it's supposed to be like 10. My kids' birthday party is tomorrow. We're turning the big 12. We're having a party for them, and unfortunately it's going to be cold. Sunday is like -1, so I'm not going to be in the Gara shop for the next few days. So I figured I'd unbox this wood while it's kind of warm. It's not really warm. It's getting cold as the evening is wearing on. We are fast losing our 30 degrees. Hey, no way, look at this. We've got, this doesn't smell very good. It's this. I don't know what this is, but it's kind of like, it's smelly. Do you guys know what this is? Or do you know what this is? It smells. Is it supposed to smell that way? Anyway. But it's interesting. That's for sure. I don't know if this, oh, this green stuff isn't supposed to be on here, whatever that is. Probably bird poo or something. I don't know. No, anyway, don't pay any attention to me. Slate. Okay, so this one is 12 inches by an inch and 3/8 by 5, not quite 5.5 inches. Yeah, we could call it 3/8. Yeah, we could call it 5 3/8. Yeah, 2 pieces. This one is a little marred in the corner, unfortunately. See, it's kind of ugly, but that's okay. We can cut that off. But we can cut this off. We can I mean, it's so thick. We can recut it, which I would recut it for sure. We could probably figure out some way to fix that. You know, woodworkers, they're always fixing these things, because you kind of you have to, since nature has decided to put so much holes and stuff, and then woodpeckers and whatnot. So yeah, these are cool. My son has been asking for bookends. He's a voracious reader. He just won the school spelling championship a couple of days ago. So who am I to deny him bookends, right? To make him some bookends. You know what? We'll do that together. My goodness, between all this wood, I bet you we could come up with some seriously cool bookends. You know, we resaw these, because these are actually kind of pretty. Well, now I can't get them out, but these are actually kind of pretty. I bet you once these get sanded down, but they still smell. There's always been a natural smell to the wood. Anyway, I'll find out where this box came from, and I'll put that in the description. But anyway, thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in a few days after the cold, and we will get some stuff done. I'm not sure what I'm looking for here, but anyway. Oh, I'm gonna turn this off. Anyway. All right, well, you guys have a great couple of days. Hope you stay warmer than we're going to here in the upper Midwest. As I say, it's going to be like -1, and that's not even including the wind chill factor. So we're going to be up here like freezing. It gets so cold up here. Sometimes you just can't turn the heat up high enough. You just have to sit in your house, throw an electric blanket on, make it a popcorn and movie night, just call it a day. Anyway, all right, so I'll see you later. Thanks. Oh yeah, and if you could subscribe, like, comment, that would be most awesome. It would help the channel grow a little bit. It's getting off to a slow start. So anyway, thanks a lot. Bye.